Hey everyone! Welcome to our first video in our Navratri Giveaway series. Stick around till the end of this video to find out how to participate. Today's recipe, which is known as Plastic Chutney, is from the state of West Bengal. Don't be startled at the name. No, it's not made up of plastic. Plastic Chutney, also known as Pepe'er Chutney, is a fixture on catered menus, especially when fruits for making other chutneys are not in season. This is nothing but raw papaya chutney, which looks like melted plastic after being cooked. So let's get into making this brilliantly innovative recipe. Firstly, peel and deseed 500 grams or 2 small green raw papayas. Now cut it into very thin slices, not thicker than 2 mm. Follow the exact same technique as shown here. In a pan, heat up 200 grams of sugar along with 3 cloves, 300 ml of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once the sugar melts and the water begins to boil, add all the sliced raw papaya into it. Mix well and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment down below to be eligible to participate in the Durga Puja giveaway. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame until the sugar syrup thickens and the papaya is cooked through. Uncover and add 10 to 12 cashews and cook for 5 more minutes. Add the juice of half a lemon and mix well. The lemon juice cuts through the sweetness and prevents the sugar syrup from crystallizing. Turn off the flame and transfer it into a container. The chutney will thicken as it cools. Serve this alongside bhoger khichuri and aloo dum. Enjoy! All the best for the giveaway. Bye-bye!